To replace a scissor jack, you will first need a 9/16 socket and drill to remove the 4 bolts holding the scissor jack in place. Be careful when removing the bolts to not strip out the mounting holes. To position the new jack more easily, you can extend it until the mounting plate is near enough to the frame to make positioning the jack easier. Once the jack is near the frame, line up your first mounting hole with the frame and use the drill with a 9/16 socket to run your first bolt in. Be careful not to cross-thread the mounting hole when you do this. You may find it easier to start your bolts by hand to avoid this risk. Run your second bolt into place and leave both just a bit loose to make it easier to line up the remaining bolts. Line up the jack on the other side with the mounting holes in the frame and place your third and fourth bolts into their respective positions. Run each in firmly to secure the jack in place. Once they are secured, finish tightening your first 2 bolts.